English Grade 3 Lesson 9. Select and write. Food we get from plants. Meat, fish, milk, green gram, fruits, vegetables, eggs. Food we get from plants. Green gram, fruits, vegetables. Select and write. Food we get from animals. Meat, fish, milk, green gram, fruits, vegetables, eggs. Food we get from animals. Meat, fish, milk, eggs. Read and put right or wrong. Eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Wash your hands before you eat. Drink plenty of water. Avoid stale food. Sort and write in the table. Tea, guava, grapes, apple, milk, water, mango, carrots, pumpkin, cabbages, pineapple, leeks, coffee, tomatoes, banana, potatoes, beans, orange, rambutan. Talk to a friend. Do you like mangoes? Yes, I do. Do you like noodles? Yes, I do. Do you like bread? No, I don't. Birds and animals. Owl, worm, myna, crow, bee, monkey, squirrel, rat, parrot, butterfly.